In today's competitive landscape, quality management is paramount across all industries. One internationally recognized standard that ensures organizations meet the highest quality standards is ISO 9001. But which industries exactly benefit from implementing ISO 9001? And what makes this standard so crucial in ensuring operational excellence? ISO 9001 is applicable to a wide range of industries, from manufacturing to services, healthcare to education. The value of ISO 9001 certification. Introduction. ISO 9001 certification is not just a badge of honor, it's a strategic tool that can transform businesses across industries. Whether in manufacturing or service sectors, adhering to ISO 9001 standards yields significant benefits. Manufacturing excellence. In the manufacturing sector, consistency is key. ISO 9001 ensures that from the procurement of raw materials to the final delivery of products, quality remains paramount. This consistency not only enhances the reputation of the manufacturer, but also fosters trust among consumers. Streamlining service processes. Service industries, too, reap immense benefits from ISO 9001 implementation. By adhering to standardized processes, service providers can streamline operations, leading to greater efficiency and effectiveness. This, in turn, translates to enhanced customer satisfaction as clients experience smoother service delivery. Enhanced customer satisfaction. At the heart of ISO 9001 lies a commitment to customer satisfaction. Service industries in particular rely on this standard to prioritize client needs and expectations. By consistently meeting or exceeding these standards, businesses can cultivate long-term customer relationships built on trust and reliability. Healthcare sector, ensuring patient safety and confidentiality. In the healthcare sector, adherence to ISO 9001 standards plays a crucial role in ensuring patient safety and maintaining confidentiality. These standards establish protocols and procedures that healthcare facilities must follow to uphold the highest standards of care. By implementing ISO 9001, healthcare organizations can streamline their processes, from patient admission to discharge, minimizing errors and ensuring consistency in treatment protocols. This not only enhances the quality of care provided, but also instills confidence in patients and their families regarding the safety and confidentiality of their medical information. Education sector, enhancing learning outcomes. ISO 9001 also benefits the education sector by helping institutions deliver quality education and enhance learning outcomes. Educational institutions that comply with ISO 9001 standards demonstrate their commitment to providing students with a high-quality learning experience. These standards encompass various aspects of educational delivery, including curriculum development, teaching methodologies, student assessment, and administrative processes. By adhering to ISO 9001, educational institutions can systematically identify areas for improvement, implement effective teaching practices, and ultimately enhance the overall educational experience for students. Cross-industry application, continuous improvement, and regulatory compliance. Beyond healthcare and education, ISO 9001 offers a universal framework for organizations across diverse industries to continuously improve their processes, minimize errors, and meet regulatory requirements. Whether it's manufacturing, finance, technology, or services, the principles of ISO 9001 can be adapted to suit the specific needs and challenges of any industry. By adopting ISO 9001 standards, organizations can establish robust quality management systems that enable them to identify inefficiencies, address non-conformities, and proactively respond to changing market dynamics and regulatory demands. Operational benefits, efficiency, cost reduction, and competitive advantage. One of the primary benefits of adhering to ISO 9001 standards is the operational efficiency it brings to organizations. By defining clear processes, roles, and responsibilities, ISO 9001 helps streamline operations, reduce redundancies, and eliminate waste. This in turn leads to cost savings and improved resource allocation, allowing organizations to invest their resources more strategically. Moreover, ISO 9001 certification serves as a testament to an organization's commitment to quality and customer satisfaction, giving them a competitive edge in the market and opening doors to new opportunities and partnerships. The need for ISO 9001 in every working field. In any working field, be it healthcare, education, manufacturing, finance, or services, the need for ISO 9001 arises from the universal pursuit of excellence, efficiency, and reliability. ISO 9001 provides a standardized framework for organizations to establish and maintain effective quality management systems, regardless of their industry or size. Here's why ISO 9001 is essential in every working field. Quality assurance. ISO 9001 sets forth guidelines for ensuring consistent quality in products and services. Regardless of the nature of the work, quality is paramount for customer satisfaction and organizational success. By adhering to ISO 9001 standards, organizations can systematically identify quality objectives, monitor processes, and implement corrective measures to ensure that their outputs meet or exceed customer expectations. Process improvement. Continuous improvement lies at the heart of ISO 9001. It encourages organizations to adopt a proactive approach to identify inefficiencies, streamline processes, and enhance productivity. In any working field, efficiency is key to maximizing resources, reducing costs, and maintaining competitiveness. ISO 9001 provides a structured framework for organizations to assess their processes, identify areas for improvement, and implement solutions that drive operational excellence. Risk management. Every working field faces inherent risks, whether they are related to product defects, service disruptions, regulatory compliance, or market fluctuations. ISO 9001 emphasizes the importance of risk-based thinking, requiring organizations to identify, assess, and mitigate risks that could impact the quality of their products or services. By integrating risk management into their quality management systems, organizations can proactively address potential threats, safeguard their operations, and maintain business continuity. Customer satisfaction. Regardless of the industry, customer satisfaction is a critical success factor. ISO 9001 places a strong emphasis on meeting customer requirements and enhancing customer satisfaction. By soliciting feedback, measuring customer satisfaction metrics, and continuously improving processes based on customer feedback, organizations can build stronger relationships with their clients, foster loyalty, and gain a competitive edge in the market. Regulatory compliance. In today's complex regulatory landscape, compliance with industry standards and regulations is non-negotiable. ISO 9001 provides a framework for organizations to ensure regulatory compliance by establishing robust processes, maintaining accurate records, and implementing necessary controls. Whether it's healthcare regulations, environmental standards, or data privacy laws, ISO 9001 helps organizations stay abreast of regulatory requirements and demonstrate their commitment to legal and ethical practices. In conclusion, whether it's manufacturing, services, healthcare, or education, ISO 9001 serves as a cornerstone for quality management excellence across all industries.